dedicated to the memory to Oakley's cat Phantom from 2005 to 2025. Rest in peace, Phantom. You will be missed. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Cherry's Beatbox Battles, a place where we take two characters and make them beatbox in the ring. I'm your host, Cherry Beatboxer from Beanboo World, and I hope you enjoyed this episode. Cherry's Beatbox Battles. Cherries. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another exciting round of Cherry's Beatbox Battles. Episode 8, Season 2. Last time on Cherry's Beatbox Battles, things got very crazy with Count and Agnes. We celebrated our comeback as Agnes performed her second beatbox solo, showing how she likes to be on top of people, and everything was great. But however, Count wasn't very amused as he sang his beatbox to God Rest Ye Gentlemen. I don't know, I think I got it backwards. You guys voted, and Agnes will be going on to the finals. Does that mean I get to have my tomato sauce? No. Aww. Okay, speaking of tomato sauce, today's battle is going to be between another two characters with a lot of similarities. They're both cool. One of the guys has a donut in his mouth, and one of them says will a lot. Let's just get on with the opponents. In this corner, he weighs about over 29 pounds and a height of 2.8 inches. He is a Seagull who came all the way from Stanton, and boy, he loves being here tonight. He's very excited, as you can tell. Very excited. Today we have Steven! Hello everybody, what's up? I'm Steven the Seagull. Oh hey Steven, what's up pal? I haven't seen you in decades, Cherry. Wait, are you my cousin? Yeah. Okay. And in this corner, he weighs about over 37 pounds and a height of 3.1 inches. He is a turtle who came from Super Mario Bros. And his hobby is stomping on Mario and killing him. And I know that because he's a bit of a psycho. Today we have Koopa Troopa. Will. And what are you supposed to be? A dumb turtle with absolutely nothing in life? Will. Oh, you wanna go punk? Wait. This is a beatbox battle, remember? I don't. Everybody remembers. Fine. Alright. Okay, let's get this match started with Steven the Seagull. Hashtag my cousin. In 3, 2, 1, go! Let's do this. When's his beatbox gonna start? I am the Seagull, and I hate you, Koopa Troopa. You are from Super Mario Bros., but you can't mess with my whole mess. My homies in Stanton like me. I am sold out the fear of Stanton, baby. And I am a seagull. And I am a seagull. Baby, let's go. Yeah. Mic drop.
Holy cow, Steven, that was epic. I forgot that you can beatbox.
Well, it's no biggie. I managed to get myself a little therapy anyway.
Okay, Cooper, what you had to say about this?
Okay, I didn't get a single word that I just said.
Okay, Cooper said that he's gonna get you.
What?
Okay, alright, let's get this match ended with Koopa in 3, 2, 1, go! Whoa, Koopa, that was sick!
You said mine's cool. Oh really? How are you gonna fight me? The show?
Okay. I guess you two have both got something to say, huh? What about you, Steven? What do you have to say?
I'm gonna get that bastard. And if he doesn't cooperate with me, I'm gonna fucking kill him.
God. Okay, sorry, that's all the time we have for today. Go to the community tab to vote on who you guys think won the battle. Thank you for watching Jerry's Beatbox battles. I better go. Jerry's Beatbox battles. Jerry's Beatbox battles.